70s, which is around 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. As we head throughout the rest of the week, temperatures are going down in a big way. That high of 54 degrees on Tuesday will be reached at midnight. Temperatures decrease throughout the day, and then in the afternoon should be around freezing. Chance for some snow Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Temperatures on Wednesday will struggle, will stay in that freezing range throughout the whole day. Then as we head into Thursday, we are drying out. Temperatures will be in the 40s, a bit chilly out there. Then heading into Friday, we are warming up in a big way, lower 60s for highs on Friday. And right now, it is a bit breezy out there. Winds from the south-southwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Going throughout the day, that wind will continue. Winds will gust up to 25 miles out of the south-southwest. And then overnight, the wind should taper off just a bit, around 10 to 15 out of the southwest. And as we look at this map right here, we're seeing a winter storm watch in effect Tuesday into Friday, or Tuesday into Wednesday afternoon. We are seeing heavy snow possible for these counties in blue. Snow totals range from 1 inch to 6 inches, higher totals as we head towards the north. And today, starting out partly sunny, cloud cover increasing throughout the afternoon. We may see a shower or a storm as we head into the evening hours, mainly for the southern big country and heartland. Lightning is the main concern with this. Severe weather is not expected. Then as we head into Tuesday, should start out partly sunny, heading into the afternoon. A strong cold front does come through, cloud cover increasing, and chance for some wintry precipitation does come into play. We're seeing a mix starting out, could see some sleets in the evening hours. Then as we head into the night, looks like everybody will make a change over to snow. May see some heavier snow at times, could see some heavier bands, mainly in the central and northern parts of the forecast area. Then this could make travel Wednesday morning a bit difficult and dangerous at times. As we head into the afternoon, snow chances do continue before tapering off in the middle afternoon hours. Should be a cloudy day. And for snow totals, we're looking at most of us seeing around 3 to 5 inches, with higher totals towards the north and lower totals towards the south. So it could be a pretty significant snow event for us here Wednesday morning. For today, though, temperatures lower 70s, partly sunny, a bit breezy, then overnight cooling down to the upper 40s with mostly cloudy skies. Brownwood, similar, lower to mid 70s, mostly cloudy, then overnight cooling down to the 50s. Should be a bit cool out there tomorrow morning. And here it is, the rest of that 7-day forecast for today, lower 70s, then Tuesday, strong cold front moves through, decrease in temperatures throughout the day, chance for snow Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Could see some significant snowfall with this, may make that morning commute a bit dangerous. Then Thursday, chilly temperatures warming up heading into the weekend. Ron?